Is your Freightliner Columbia 112 steering wheel feeling a bit tired and worn out? This 18-inch black leather traveler steering wheel kit from Technical Precision might just be the upgrade you've been looking for. It's designed specifically for the 2010 Columbia 112, so you know it's going to fit like a glove. The black leather feels really premium in your hands, and that 18-inch diameter gives you a fantastic amount of leverage and control, especially on those long hauls. What really sets this kit apart is the black powder-coated aluminum 5-hole hub adapter. It looks incredibly sleek and robust, adding a touch of modern style to the interior. Installation is straightforward, and the secure fit of the hub adapter means no annoying wobbles or play. Driving with this new wheel feels significantly more comfortable and precise. The grip is excellent, even with gloves on, and the overall aesthetic improvement is undeniable. It's a solid investment for any owner looking to enhance both the comfort and the look of their truck's cockpit. This kit delivers on its promise of a quality, vehicle-specific upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.